everyone, this is Ariane from La Fée de la Mer, handmade soaps in the Magdalen Islands. Today I am presenting to you the making of a soap that we make with Scots Lovage, which is a plant that grows here on the island, and it grows in many places in the world, and it is a plant that really looks like celery or parsley, and it does kind of smell like it. Many people use it to cook. And these are some dried seeds. And what we did, we picked some fresh seeds because it's fresh seeds season right now. And we made some hydrosol using our copper alembic, and I will pop a couple pictures doing the distillation while I show you this video. And also, to give a little texture and hopefully a little bit of color, we are using the leaves of the Scots Lovage into the soap in a ground powder form. So let's take a look at the making of this soap. guys so much for watching. These soaps will be put in the drying area for 1 month, and then they will be labeled and available in our shop. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to enable notifications so you always know when I have a new video coming up. Goodbye!